In this video, we listed the 5 best Bluetooth car adapters that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Mpow MBR2 Bluetooth Car Adapter. This Mpow adapter is a 3-in-1 Bluetooth receiver, dual USB car charger, and ground loop noise isolator. It attaches to your dash, console, or wherever it is convenient, with a magnetic base. The upgraded Bluetooth enables this car adapter to turn any wired home or audio system, headphones, or speakers into hands-free, Bluetooth-enabled devices. It is able to achieve more stable transmission without using as much power, thus allowing you to stream audio through the 3.5mm stereo aux input to listen to music, books, or podcast, or to follow GPS navigation. The dual connection allows you to connect and use 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. It has a high-speed charger and has 2 USB output ports, a 1A receiver output, and a 2.4A output for other devices. A built-in mic delivers hi-fi, CD quality noise isolator clarity. Its range is up to an unobstructed 30 feet. At number 2. Tunai Firefly Bluetooth Receiver. The Tunai Firefly is an extremely small and simple Bluetooth receiver that turns home or audio systems, headphones, or speakers into hands-free, Bluetooth-enabled devices. It capably streams crystal clear quality audio using its sound revitalization technology. Just one 3.5mm plug transforms your home or audio system, headphones, or speakers into hands-free, Bluetooth-enabled devices. The glowing LED light on the USB indicates the connection is made. It remembers up to 8 paired devices and also allows you to seamlessly pair and share 2 devices at the same time. The Firefly will always automatically connect to the last device used. The drawback is that the Tunai Firefly only streams multimedia audio, video, music, apps, etc. The Firefly may also not work with all USB ports because it requires little power and some USB chargers and ports automatically shut off when the current draw decreases. The USB charger is not included in this package. At number 3. Nalaxy Bluetooth Car FM Transmitter Audio Adapter. The updated Nalaxy KM19 is an inexpensive, hands-free, Bluetooth car audio adapter receiver. This KM19 version has more play mode features and a voltmeter for your driving safety. You can play your music through the TF card, USB disc, Bluetooth, or aux cable. This quick-charging Bluetooth car adapter is an FM transmitter type that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and connects your phone via Bluetooth with your radio signal and frequency. This adapter has a large 1.44-inch screen that displays incoming phone calls, music selections, and your car's battery voltage. If your voltmeter reads between 12.8 volts and 12.2 volts when your car is shut off, you can rest assured your battery is fine. If it reads below 12 volts, it is time to replace your battery. This FM transmitter is also compatible with most market devices including Apple, Xiaomi, Sony, Samsung, and Oppo. At number 4. Nalaxy Bluetooth Car FM Transmitter Audio Adapter. The Nalaxy KM18 is a quality, technologically superior, adjustable, wireless, Bluetooth car adapter. It is compatible with most market devices including Apple, Xiaomi, Sony, Samsung, and Oppo. It has a 5 volts port for quick charging your devices. You can charge your phone while you listen to your music. The KM18 has an advanced noise reduction system for perfectly clear sound, as well as play mode features and a voltmeter for your enjoyment and driving safety. Play your music through your TF card, Bluetooth, or aux cable. This Bluetooth FM transmitter type adapter plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and connects your phone via Bluetooth with your radio signal and frequency. It has a large 1.44-inch screen that displays incoming phone calls, music selections, and your car's battery voltage. At number 5. Mpow Bluetooth Adapter. The top-selling Mpow StreamBot Mini Bluetooth Car aux Adapter is an inexpensive, versatile, hands-free, Bluetooth car adapter. It is lightweight and has a hi-fi, crystal clear, noise isolator range up to an unobstructed 30 feet. It is compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices including your phone, MP3, iPod, tablet, headphones, and home audio systems. It has a long battery life up to 8 hours and provides an extra long 10-hour talk play time. It also allows you to charge 2 devices at once while you take calls or listen to music, books, etc. This advanced Bluetooth car adapter inconspicuously connects into your car's aux-in plug. The 3.5mm audio cable also connects to your wired headphones to make them Bluetooth headphones so you can answer your phone or wirelessly stream your music. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.